Hey, what's up everyone? I am back with another unboxing. Today we are going to unbox the Huawei P30 Pro. So let's get started. Now guys, you can see I have the box, and this is 8GB and 256GB version black color in my hand. Let's open the box. Here's the main device. I already said it's black color. The P30 brings a lot to the table with 3 cameras, one offering an ultra-wide-angle lens and the other a 10x optical zoom. A smaller 6.1-inch OLED display with waterdrop notch. And on-screen fingerprint also. And the other box content is just a silicon back cover, and SIM ejector tool. And charger adapter, Type-C cable, and a headphone. We don't waste our time. The Pro is a camera beast. So we will talk about this beast camera. Other specification you will get. As we hinted at above, the cameras on the P30 and P30 Pro are a big deal. However, if you want to take your photography game to the next level, you'll want to get the P30 Pro. The P30 Pro has a total of 4 cameras as noted in the spec sheet above. There are a lot of draws to this setup, but the biggest one is easily the zooming capabilities. The 5x optical zoom lens is impressive enough on its own and more than what we've seen on competing handsets. But when you switch to 10x hybrid zoom, Huawei says you can zoom in 10x without losing any detail in your shot. Huawei also reworked the 40MP main camera to deliver more color, better low light performance with f/1.6 aperture, and optical image stabilization. And it adds a sophisticated new camera system that promises up to 10x lossless zoom. Huawei is pricing the P30 Pro at €999 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Or €1,099 for the 8GB, 256GB configuration, or €1,249 for 8GB, 512GB. The P30 will cost €799 with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Both phones are going on sale immediately. And the P30 Pro is available in a new blue gradient color variation called Breathing Crystal, along with a pearl white, an iridescent red called Amber Sunrise, Huawei's signature Aurora, and a basic black. So that's enough for today. If you are a photo lover, you must try this phone. Cause this is insane. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Hit the like button and share your comment in the box. Bye bye.